Hi everyone. We made it to Friday, so thank goodness for that. Getting through the week, I have a haul for you, and it's going to be from Six Dive or Deep Six. Yeah. Anthony and I are beach bound again, so we went shopping this time. We are going snorkeling in the Keys. So we have our fins. This is the brand. And we got all of this from the surf shop. And that is in Vero Beach. We have the rest. And also at the surf shop, I have quite a few bikinis from there. This time I found a Kalani bikini. They had a whole rack of them in all bright colors. They were so cute. So I got this one. This is the top. It's got the little beads on the strap and in the middle. Right there. Yeah. And the guy threw the spit stuff in for free. And also I had to get a new mitt and some more Loving Tan. It's in different packaging. I usually get the 4-hour Express Platinum, and this is 2-hour Express, and it's in a brown bottle. So, but I'm not gonna be wearing this on the trip because you know the salt water will just exfoliate everything off. I'll be wearing my bronzer spray, which is always what I wear to the beach, what I take to the beach, and sunblock. We're gonna be there for 4 days, so I just got the 3 packs from Sam's instead of the family pack from Walmart. These were $19 and it's 50 SPF, and I got 2 boxes. So always get extra, have extra. I never want to run out of sunblock at the beach. And I ordered a GoPro and it'll be here tomorrow with our Sam's, or with the Amazon. So yeah, stay tuned for our trip.